Listen, a normal person, if they looked at this table, would say they're crazy, but well, that's the kind of task for artificial intelligence where we dictated the prompt to it.
Because this is the second episode.
At the start, we have 30 different ingredients. Your task is to come up with unusual, crazy, but delicious dishes that we could show our beloved viewers on the Pobite Gary channel. The rules. Each dish should consist of about 3 ingredients listed below. Give at least 10 suggestions since he's providing them after we entered everything. This is episode 2, as Staba said, so you know what to expect. I'll read which ones make sense and if we want to create them. Sebastian. Tropical trout, salmon trout, coconut milk, peach puree. Preparation, bake the trout in coconut milk and peach puree. Sounds like a trip to Thailand, but without a passport. Take a piece here. This is trout.
Like kind of trout?
Like if a trout and a mackerel teamed up and pretended to be a salmon, right?
This is the son of a trout and a mackerel.
This is the offspring of a trout and a mackerel. It's more like a mackerel than a salmon. We'll take a small baking dish with a broken handle. We'll take the salmon trout and we'll turn on the air fryer so it can start heating up.
Coconut milk.
So, smoked trout, we'll just bake it until it comes to a boil.
The producer says to shake the milk before use.
It's peach, right? So what, Stabush?
Come on, use a spoon. Nicely done. Yeah, it's mixed, it's good. I feel like this is the kind of recipe that just can't fail. And boom. A few moments later.
Yeah. Man, it turned out all spotted. Now what?
It was so rubbery.
That's the dish. Swosush under a blanket, trout under a blanket, coconut water or cream, and peaches. They made a kind of glaze out of it. I don't know if you see it, Cuba. They made it like a book cover. That's what it is. For that Staba.
It's good, but the sauce isn't sweet. It's just kind of...
I have to say this right in front of everyone. He's already embarrassed. He's going to open a restaurant and sell this. It's not sweet, it's delicious. What's left is the essence of peaches plus the coconut, the water. It all rendered down. It came together. It's blowing my mind, Staba. I swear, if you like this, please don't eat it. I'd take it home with me. Hey, for me, that's a 10.
You can praise it all you want, but it's just average. I prefer the puree by itself. The sauce ended up very thick. And here you can taste the fish, even if it was kind of mackerel-like, but honestly, I think you can prepare fish simply and it'll be different, maybe even tastier.
I've never eaten fish prepared like this before. This is my first time. It's baked fish. It's not just a sauce. It's like a topping, like from cream or something. And for me, it's delicious. Trust me, restaurant owners, everyone has different tastes, different opinions. Put this kind of fish on your menu, try it yourselves, and you'll be blown away. It'll be in your restaurant, people will order it. This is such a complex flavor. You can taste the smoke notes, you can taste the fish, you can taste sweetness, you can taste coconut. It's just amazing. Yeah, from the restaurant.
How should I put it?
No.
But it fits a lot of things, but here the mango didn't really work out, right? It could fit, but it's like when you want to mount something on the wall, but you don't feel like drilling anchors, so you just stick it on. It holds, but you know, just kind of.
That's not why I said don't listen to Staba. There's no mango, just a peach.
See, you can't taste mango or peach, just some kind of puree.
All right, let's move on. Claimer recommends this one, Staba doesn't, which is often the case. I'm glad, but also disappointed you don't appreciate these complex flavors.
This is average.
That's not true. This...
Complex doesn't always mean good. Simple Romanian dishes can be the best.
Hellish chorizo soup. Fry chorizo with celery, pour in broth, and cook for 5 minutes. It looks like well-used chicken broth. Tastes devilishly strong, but will be delicious. Let's add chorizo, Staba's on it, and there's celery. I haven't had soup like this before, Staba. We've got celery. Let's take the chorizo. We'll do it, Staba, to release fat. What about the celery? Damn, this is like pepper gas, spicy, but it's gonna be good.
But it's gonna be aromatic. And the pot.
Ooh, look, the soup is coming together.
It's slowly becoming like stew.
Yeah, Staba, I'm excited. We wait until it boils and then we try it. A spoonful of thick stew Stabas, now I'll taste it. Wow, there are both bubbles and expectations. Oh damn, that's nice, spicy.
Yeah, it's subtle, not overpowering, so you can't taste the flavor. But the celery fits here, it's kind of weird, it almost doesn't fit, but you'll end up liking it. All right, but now we need to try it with the meat.
No.
Chorizo, it will be great here too.
With chorizo, it became basically ground meat, but really good.
Like premium.
Let me tell you this, I'm not just talking a lot about wild boar because it's delicious, staba, it's awesome. It's a ready-made soup. It's something that if a wife makes for her husband, he'll be asking her for this soup every week. There are definitely people like that.
It worked out, even though I thought it wouldn't until the end.
I make this soup at home, I come back and make it at home. That's the best recommendation for me. Will I repeat this recipe? Yes, I will repeat it. And now one more thing. Celery does an amazing job. It's crunchy, it just created the composition. I give it a thumbs up here. And this is the kind of recipe that's in our book. It's the kind of recipe we've been testing for years and we're excited about. And it's the kind of recipe that could be in our book, right? Slice the chorizo, bring it to a boil.
This deserves an 8 or 9, but because I really rarely eat this celery, I'd even give it a 10, and I wouldn't have expected that from celery. It was always something you could just nibble on, or maybe add to a salad.
Did you persuade me? Are we yelling? Wobaben? You convinced me.
I know we're supposed to have finished this recipe, but the real issue is none of us thought to add seasoning. No pepper, salt, or even a bit of cream. Maybe we should use less of this and that. It was perfect the first time, right?
Yeah, it's ready. We've got it. This is another jalapeno.
Hey, have you seen our book with the craziest, best, and tried and true recipes with ingredients you can find in any store? What impressed us most in the culinary world recently is in our ebook, which costs less than a kebab. That's why we believe 28.50 is a very low price. The link is in the description.
Attention, barbecue power potato. The potatoes are already cooked, so you have barbecue sauce and wait for it, cheddar cheese.
I assume this will be simple. Let me guess. Cook the potatoes, then fry them in a pan.
Mix everything together and bake it in a baking dish.
There's no point in making this. After all, it's just potatoes with yellow cheese and sauce, which I think most people know as potato casserole.
You didn't like the fish? You don't like our ideas with my chechvitiek? Avocado pate and avocado bun. To prepare, spread avocado on the bun, add pate and grill. There's just enough bun.
Just assholes.
I just wanted to try those baked potatoes with barbecue sauce.
There's a casserole like that. You know that much. All right.
What? And I won't listen to them.
Is there a knife?
All right.
Spread the avocado.
Use the toaster instead of the air fryer because it's bent.
No, not in the toaster. That won't work. It should be in the oven, or use the air fryer, then add the avocado. Just don't wait for the pate for this. What was the order? Yes, and then the pate on top. And we don't want it to taste only like pate, so I'm not cutting it too thick, but it's crumbly.
I've made some space here on the side, Mr. Sebastian, because from this side...
I'm making a potato casserole.
I'm making a casserole.
We're hiding the pate.
We clean up and return.
They look totally unappetizing.
Like meaty snacks.
It looks like you put ground meat on top.
And I actually like it a lot.
Yes, we managed to make a crispy version.
No, the avocado turned bitter. It was filling. The taste is just bitter. And the warm pate became kind of lower quality.
Maybe we need to use a different pate, maybe a different avocado.
A different avocado, no.
Not from this company. There's not really even an idea how to save it. I mean, what to change to make it really good.
Walking backwards, we're silent. Sad to multiply this way.
As if we're saying thank you. Not a hit.
But I have burnt barbecue sauce for you. Maybe for you it's a casserole, but I really wanted to try it. It's not encouraging. All right, I'm trying here from the bacon stabush. And I'll be honest with you, Mr. Sebastian, they just can't taste bad because these are potatoes with yellow cheese, but the burnt barbecue sauce gave it smokiness, gave it that burnt flavor, gave it that campfire taste. No, it's like wandering around.
It's like a quick casserole, but you must follow these steps. Use pre-cooked potatoes, not raw, or it will take too long and won't finish.
But I spit, oh God, campfire potatoes. I put them aside and keep reading. Fake yogurt tartare, thick natural yogurt, metka sausage, and cherry tomatoes. Mix the metka with yogurt and chopped tomatoes. It looks like Instagram tartare. Tastes like an influencer's breakfast during quarantine. Nope. But it's good that they wrote the casing isn't edible because I was about to eat it.
I almost did.
There's just a bit of chemicals and beef here. Okay, and now tomatoes? That many?
That's enough for taste. Look what's happening here. Can you feel this, Wobaben?
This is the influencer's tartare.
Mixing meat with natural yogurt. You know, it's not going into the oven or anywhere else. It won't have any heat treatment. It will just be mixed. In theory, that's already a disastrous idea in itself.
But the tomatoes get crushed, the chopped ones, and they make a paste out of it. Oh no, okay, don't give me any more.
But it's not about eating all of it. It's just supposed to look good.
Because people eat with their eyes.
Yes?
It's not much, but when there's little, it feels expensive.
Less is more. Now la sole.
How delicious will it be? The initial texture makes me feel like gagging.
The second one is already making me want to vomit. But I don't taste any meat here.
It's delicious.
So why don't you taste any meat here? You can taste the metka, but it lacks the texture.
The tomato really does the job.
I might have added too much salt, but it could still use a bit more.
Well, I didn't want to eat it all.
A bit of salt.
This is sick. Chat probably finds that it has some kind of connection in its knowledge base, and it's not as random as metka.
He connects products based on their molecular structure and knows that this will combine with that.
No, that would taste great on a fresh roll.
Okay, but see, after making it, it looks bad. If you add salt and use a non-transparent bowl like this one, it's fine.
Kuba, we wanted to trash this, right?
No, we criticized it until we tried it.
A solid 7 as a spread on bread, a solid 7.
I wanted to give it an 8, but no. It's missing one more ingredient here besides the tomato, probably some onion, so I'll give it a 7 too.
Jesus.
It deserves a 7.
A fresh roll, that's already tomato and onion. Oh, Jesus.
We limited him to 3 ingredients, so it's a 7, but with onion I'd rate it an 8.
I'm going to get the phone, this is good. Let's clean up and read the next Halo.
Mom, buy me metka.
And there's a grill bomb.
Grill bomb?
Almette cream cheese, barbecue sauce, and onion. Mix everything into one paste. Perfect for nachos, vegetables, or even your finger. Grilled cheese sounds bad, but it tastes amazing. As they say, a good dip is good because it's good. We have Almette cheese.
You entered Almette cream cheese for him, but this one's horseradish flavored.
And now it won't work.
No, because now there's a plot twist. We'll see. All right, so Almette cheese.
Wait, maybe just a little, but probably not yet. There will be a paste, man.
Don't add the onion yet, you know. Wait so it soaks a bit because then it'll be separate.
Well, let's give it a try. Thank you, good night. It's awesome, it's creamy, it's sweet, it's delicate, and honestly, what a trick to transform these cheeses. You can taste the horseradish, you can taste the onion.
I don't know if it would be better with that cream cheese that was listed.
It wouldn't be better.
I think it would be more delicate, but here that's actually a downside.
That's one.
That wouldn't be delicate.
This is the best dip I've had in a while. And for flavor, I'll give it to the potato.
Here, the potato tastes better with this than with melted yellow cheese.
It's not creamy, it's delicate, it's slightly spicy, it's smoky, it's sweet, it's aromatic. How much do you give?
Finely chopped onion, just 1 in 10.
Jesus Maria. Lobaben, this is delicious. This is a 10. This is a 10. This is from our book.
Toast spread in the pop-up toaster. When the butter pops out, that's enough.
It would also go well with sausage. Delicious. This is a 10. You nailed it. This is Lobaben and exactly what we want for this format. This soup is brilliant, Salmon. We had a discussion here, so we're not including it.
Even if one side liked it and the other didn't, it still lacked Lobaben.
2 Lobabens are enough for me with this paste. I'm satisfied. That's the point of this format and why we rate it. Nobody else does this. Recipes are exclusive to our channel and book. You can find our book with ready-made Lobabens at pietstostowauna.pl and more will be added. All right, Staba, what's the king of your episode?
Not this soup. It surprised me because it's so simple and delicious.
It's delicious, spicy, without any seasoning, without anything. It was full of aromas. This is full of aromas. Watch these formats if you like them. Let us know in the comments. Because honestly, miracles happen here, things happen here that you should remember, write down for later, and just do them.
Yeah, it works about 80% of the time.
But that's a lot.
I'm not saying that's little.
In the first episode, because this is the second episode, there were also wababini. Click, find it. Maybe there will even be a link.
It has to be. What do you mean maybe? It will be?